Hi kids, good evening. Okay, today right now I want to teach you another drawing. Before we start the drawing, I want to encourage you to get your daddy or mommy to buy you a sketchbook which is like A4 size, because you know why? You can keep your drawing or collect your drawing in this with a sketchbook, and just like what I do. Okay, so I use the sketchbook to draw some of the cartoon characters. This is some of my drawing. Okay, so you see, look at the hair sleeping, and yeah, I use this sketchbook to draw. You know, yeah, look at this, the hair and the tortoise. Okay, so yeah, and you can buy this in the market. So that yeah, so remember, this is the bear that we drew yesterday. Alright, so today I want to teach you how to draw a fish with a very simple outline, a very simple method. Okay, so shall we start? So before we start, and I want to remind you to get ready with a pencil, two-color pencil, which is red and orange, and of course you must prepare an eraser in case you draw wrongly, and then we have one 8B outline pencil. Okay, so shall we start now? Okay, very simple. And first of all, you just draw an oval, right? Draw an oval. Okay, this is an oval. This is what I tell you. So you can draw many oval until you find a best one. Yeah. Alright, so this is the oval. Alright, and yeah, then you can draw the tail or the fish fin, the fin of the fish. Okay, yes. Alright. Okay, so yeah, and then and draw a circle here. So this is the eyes. Okay. Alright. So very simple. This is the fish. Now we do the coloring. Okay, yes, like what I told you, we have one darker red, and this is lighter red, or we call it orange. Okay, you use the red, the darker red, to color the part which is near with the near to the edge. Okay, so yeah. Oh no, sorry. You gotta use the orange, okay, the orange to color the edge part with the orange. Okay, so make it darker where it is near to the outline. Okay, so yeah, here. Okay, so make it darker here. Okay, make it darker here. Okay, so remember what teacher have told you. Okay, when near to the center, okay, color it softly. Yeah, as soft as possible, and then yeah, you can see the shape is like more 3D. Okay, yeah, and this part you just simply, you know, color it a very gentle way. Okay, softly. Don't color the eyes. Yeah. or what to color the eyes. Okay, leave it blank. Okay, leave it blank. Okay, right, leave it blank. Okay, so yeah, the fin. It is the finch color. Right. Okay, and then yes, we use the darker red, the dark red, to put some dot. That is okay. Yeah, this fin. Draw some lines. Yes. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, simple, right? It's very simple. Okay. So this is the fish, and use the egg bee. Okay, we use this egg bee to draw the outline, so the picture may look neat. Okay, so this is the eyes. Go fish, what do you see? I see coral looking at me. Go fish, what do you see? I see Song Jia-xian looking at me. So completed. Okay, so yeah, maybe you want to write something on it? Fish. Okay. Right. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Alright. Thank you very much.